I'm Dr. Jack Brazel from 123 Dental, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about dental implants. Dental implants are the gold standard for replacing missing teeth, and it's suitable for people who've been missing teeth for a long time and they want to do something about replacing their gaps so they can either smile more or they can eat more easily. And it's also a solution for people who have still got teeth but they want to replace them for ones that look a little bit better and function a little bit better. So the way the process works is we'll either extract your tooth or you'll have already got a space there, and then we'll place a titanium screw into your jaw, which over a period of about 3 months fuses with your jaw. And then we will take some impressions or a 3D scan of your teeth and fabricate a crown, which is like a false tooth that we'll then screw onto the implant. And this will allow you to smile, to function, and to chew properly, and restore your mouth to what it used to be. If you want any more information or you'd like to ask any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.